Alright, what's up guys? So me and Dewey are currently stuck at a Love's in Colorado. Had to go on my training trip that's required pretty much for anyone that tries to get on. Obviously for new insurance, like new drivers, you have to go train, and I suck at driving anyway, so Dewey had to teach me. He's been grilling me the whole time, but I figured I would take this time to, we're stuck here. The truck blew a wheel seal. So during my pre-trip, before we left the fuel island, I found the wheel seal bad, and which is good. I found it here instead of finding it when it broke, like the wheel falls off, because it lost all its oil and bearing C's and all that good stuff. So I figured, you know, we'll fix it here. So Love's is going to fix it in the morning. Go ahead and talk about part 2 of my video. It's pretty much, it's, you know, just a different perspective from what, you know, Jimmy and Timmy are going to be posting. Oh, we made it to Graceland, and they told us to frig off, so we did. We obliged, and we took off to Florida. So 14 hours later, here we are. We're in Tampa, and we're getting the truck washed right now. That's what they're doing in there. And then I guess what we're gonna do is take a nap. I'm gonna take a shower. But for now, I'm just exhausted because I don't know, it's a lot of driving, a lot of moving. I don't know how you guys that do this every day do this every day. I'm tired. I don't know how you guys do this, but I'm getting used to it. Having a good time though. Ready to be home. You left Friday. It's Monday, so we'll be home hopefully tomorrow night, Tuesday, and then probably take a couple days off and then go help Dad load boats, whatever. Yeah, just tired, ready to go home. But yeah, see what tomorrow brings, or today. Yeah. Well, this is cool. This is another big time YouTuber, Bruce Wilson. I've been wanting to come down here for a while. I've been watching this stuff since Timmy started. And I've never really been down here, but it's so beautiful. Wow. Can I look up in here? Look at this freaking heat. Good Lord. Yeah, this thing is just too good looking.
That's an okay unit right there, right? That's an
Oh, stop it. Dream truck if I ever did see one. Man. That thing's sweet for sure. Heck no. Bruce just took us somewhere. I don't know where we're
Oh, we're just hanging out, driving our big trucks around, just playing Tonka toys today.
I swear that's all semis are, dude. Just big Tonka toys. Look at that, man. I don't even think it's actually close. It's kind of just really just have it.
Oh, dude, they're running little mini trucks. They're for sale.
Where at? Oh, that little Mighty Mike over there?
Yeah.
I don't know who this guy is.
Back up in behind the shop over here. Yeah. And then you can just go ahead and like straighten them under the grass, and then when he leaves, you can back up into here and then pull out behind him. Okay. And then load him up with a little Kubota front end loader to help the telehandler, I guess, in case you need it. Yeah. What's up with that little mini truck? Oh, it's a Japanese 2018. It's newer than most of them. It's a really nice one compared to most of them. They're all usually junk, but this one's nice. You gonna sell it? Possibly. How much? You can have a look at it if you want. Okay. I'm gonna get him to back up. Oh, he's already on? I'm going to tell him to flip them up. He's going to have to back over on the shovel.
Well, looks like they're trying to figure out where they're gonna pull the truck in. So this might be the last time I get to see this thing. This has been a pretty cool experience. I won't lie. Like it's not every day you get to see something that is such a big part of everyone's life. Elvis Presley, you know. But you know, it's pretty cool. We went to New Mexico, and then from New Mexico we went to Memphis, to Graceland, and then now we're here in Florida. And whatever they do with it from here will be whatever they do with it from here. But it was a fun experience. I got to meet some pretty cool people. Jimmy from Jimmy's World, and then Bruce Wilson down here in Florida. He does a lot of cool stuff with like hauling tractors and, you know, like he works on trucks and stuff like that. So that was fun. I got to ride in his Pete. That Pete is freaking so nice. Like probably one of the nicest trucks I've ever ridden in. Kind of spoiled me a little bit, but it was cool. And now we're here. We're gonna unload this thing and see how it goes. I don't know where we're going from here, but Timmy said this isn't gonna be like the last cool part of the trip. We are in Florida, so if anybody knows what's in Florida, then you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. There's another really cool YouTuber that lives down here, and I guess we're gonna go check out his stuff and see what he's got and pick up something really cool for him. So maybe I'll be able to get that a little bit on video too. That'd be sweet, but we'll see. So this is Bruce Wilson's cameraman. Say what's up.
What's going on?
Dude, this is crazy. So we got this thing up in the air. They're about to put jacks on it, and then
Quit jacking off over there.
they're doing the jack thing.
Quit jacking off.
Yeah, but yes, this is where the jet ended up. It's in the air. This is about as sketchy as you could possibly get it, but this is what it looks like for now. It's pretty crazy. A little sketched out. I won't go near it. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so the Elvis jet is fully delivered in its home. If you want to see the shenanigans that went on with this thing, go to Jimmy's World YouTube or Bruce Wilson's YouTube. I think Timmy's probably going to post some stuff too, so Gentry and Sons. This is where it ended up. All put in here. It looks so good and easy and like it's meant to be here, but I promise you this is one of the most sketchy things I've ever seen. Ever. I was like actually genuinely scared for a few minutes. I guess the whole thing was hanging up in the air at one point. So just go to their YouTube and you can see the unloading and the loading of all of this stuff. And it's actually pretty good. Check that out and see what they did. It was crazy, but we are done now. And I think me and Tim, everybody calls him. I call him Timmy because he's my brother. But me and Tim are gonna go to our next location, which is deeper in Florida. And then we're gonna pick up some stuff and then we're gonna head back to Tennessee. So it's gonna be a busy day. Dude, I show up, I took a nap as soon as we left. And Timmy wakes me up and he's like, yo, look where we're at. And I'm like, what in the frick? No way we're at Cletus McFarland's place. This is like I feel like I'm still asleep.
Dude, Leroy is so much safer than he used to be.
Dude, look at this stuff.
I got a video I want to show you.
This is insane.
Or leave the windows down, you get out so it'll automatically lock the other side.
I can't believe we're here.
First time I took this thing to
Met this
Vegas,
guy. It's pretty cool.
we got down there and the brake lines were leaking and
Man.
batteries.
Look at this place. Look at that. Look at this stuff. It's awesome. It's like a dream that I don't even understand is happening. But we're here. Wait till you see what we just loaded. I'll show you that here in a second. Seriously, so freaking cool. Like, holy crap. No freaking way. Alright, so this is what we picked up. I cannot believe this. Look at this freaking thing. I don't even think I've ever seen one of these in person. Ever in my entire life. I've seen one tank ever. It was on Camp Pendleton, California. Now I'm freaking hauling one. Timmy pulled this thing up on here. Like literally just wow. Got a video of it. It's pretty cool. He's gonna post that. But dude, it's so sick. Probably the sickest thing I've ever seen. This whole trip has just been absolutely wild. Yeah, so we're hammered down now. About to be. Doing my pre-trip, looking at brakes, looking at all that stuff, and make sure we're safe. Lights are working. And then we're going to drive to Tennessee. And I'm gonna hang out there for probably a couple weeks, and then he said we're gonna take this thing to Utah after that. So, yeah, pretty much what we're doing. It's pretty crazy. I've never, like I said, I've never even seen a tank in real life. And when we got home, Timmy said he's gonna unload it and we're gonna ride it around. It's gonna be so cool. Andrew's gonna flip. I just can't wait to go home and see my boys. But yeah, if you see us on the road, well, this will already be posted, so forget that. But we'll be home. I don't have service, so I can't post anything. But yeah, we're cruising. Last leg, we got 10 hours. We'll be home and we'll be ready to party. Ready to take a nap for about 2 days because I've had 3 hours of sleep in the last 5 days. But yeah. Well, I missed my anniversary. We just got home. I got home last night, or yesterday. We got home yesterday from a big trip me and Timmy went on. And Nicole was mad still.
It was our anniversary.
Which I get it. I understand. So this is what I get. I'm growing this thing since October. She's been begging me to shave that thing off. So there you go. It's gone. He told me to. It's gone.
You sound like the 5 o'clock shadow. A teenager now.
Whoa. Yeah, well, that's been on my face since like October. So it's honestly been annoying me pretty bad. And the whole trip, I've just been thinking like I'm gonna shave this thing off when I get home. Because everything gets in it and it's super annoying and it's gross sometimes. And it makes my wife happy, so. Yeah, so we're back from hauling the Elvis jet. And I'm just going to take a couple days off because that was like 6 days of pure, like, it was fun, but man, it was stressful. But, yeah. ready for some rest.